Well, I almost feel as though I've entered the danger zone here down at Tempa Pano, but Alexander is going to tell me I'm completely safe, I'm sure. Hi.
That's correct, yeah, our systems are quite safe, and as long as you don't go inside the cabinet, yeah, you'll be safe, and it's not live right now anyway.
Excellent. Okay, but we are. So tell me a little bit about the system and what you guys do.
Okay, so as Tempa Pano, we're an enclosure manufacturer. We manufacture switchboards and all the way down to small junction boxes. So these switchboards are typically used in the incoming power to the building, and with these systems you can distribute the power wherever you want within the building. So depending on what configuration you have and depending on what the requirements are within the building, it's a modular structure, so we can work with the requirements of the design for that particular building. Now,
Can we have a look inside?
yes, definitely. This is a fully encapsulated system, meaning that there's no way, even if the door is opened, that somebody can access live power. The live power is at the back, and as you see from here, it's all compartmentalized, so there's no risk or no danger unless you open this one, which is where your live coppers are. And that's why you see that sign there as a danger zone.
So normally then this whole structure would be, I guess, in the basement or the sort of maintenance room of a building.
It could be a school, a hospital, a bank, where you have, different power requirements for different sections of the building. It also helps you monitor what sides and which sides are using what power with the devices you have in there. And from something like this, then you go to smaller distribution boards, which are over there, we're showcasing. So we are quite capable of distributing the power throughout the building, to separate floors, separate rooms, even down to a small consumer unit, really. Yeah.
So from small consumer units to no building is too big for you guys, really?
That's right, yeah. In the low voltage side, definitely, yeah.
And who are your main sort of clients?
So we work with some construction companies, we work with original equipment manufacturers, we work with panel builders, anybody who does electrical installation or needs an enclosure as part of their product. Yeah.
And I know you've got a relatively new piece of kit here that you brought to market. Tell me a little bit more about that.
So this is a bus bar. It's used to distribute high current. Now this is a channel system which helps the assembler by saving time, and there's no need for drilling either. So the channel structure provides also natural cooling and an increased current carrying capacity. And again, there's a lot of time saving and effort where you can just slot your connections in and go straight down. Yeah. So with our products, we always aim to help the end user when they're assembling and try to think about the use cases in real life situations, and that's what we base our designs around.
Yeah, great. So what kind of people are you getting coming to your stand here at Construction Week?
So we've had various exhibitors here that use enclosures for their products, and we talked to a couple of companies who get involved in the electrical side of constructions. Sometimes it can be contractors, and various people in the industry, really, yeah.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much. I'm sure you're going to have a busy few days here. Yeah, no, great. Thank you for talking to us.
Yeah.